Just a quick review on the quadratic formula. Mostly you're going to use the quadratic formula when trinomials do not factor. And here's a recommendation. Sometimes it's a good idea to put parentheses around the different values to remind you that if there's a value is a negative, you're going to want to do the opposite of the negative. Anyway, parentheses help sometimes. So let's look at an example. So you've got a trinomial that's 2x subtract 2x squared, subtract 3x, subtract 7. Notice 2 is your A, negative 3 is your B, 7 is your C. So when you plug it into the quadratic formula, so it's the opposite of B. Well, B is negative 3. The opposite of negative 3, plus or minus the square root, in parentheses. That's why this is important. If you, in your calculator, do this, you're going to end up with a negative 9. Well, a negative 3 squared is a positive 9, but the only way the calculator is going to know that is if you put parentheses around it. And it's just a good habit for you to understand what's actually happening there. Subtract 4 times, so this is the negative 4 times the A and the C. A is 2, C is negative 7, all over 2 times A, which is 2. And then you simplify all of that. The opposite of negative 3 is 3. Negative 3 squared is 9. Negative times a negative is a positive. 4 times 2 is 8, times 7 is 56, all over 2 times 2, which is 4. You're going to simplify it underneath the radical sign, which adds to 65. So now you have x is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 65, all divided by 4. Remember, if you end up in a situation where the teacher wants a decimal value, make sure you put all of the parentheses there before you type, as you're typing it into the calculator. Otherwise, you'll get wrong answers. All right. So remember, there's 2 different answers here. There's the 3 plus root 65, all of that divided by 4. Then you've got the quantity 3 subtract root 65 divided by 4. Both of those are the x values. All right, that's it. Quick review.